Hello everyone, my name is Minakshi from EduRanch and I am studying in grade 9. Today we will be discussing about coding and decoding. It falls under the subject mental ability. So what is mental ability exactly? Let's see. Mental ability is the ability to understand and solve problems. So the ability at which we understand by seeing a problem and the solution comes into our mind. So that is the ability how fast or slow we can understand and solve it. Now next is today's topic. What we are going to discuss is coding and decoding. What is coding? Coding is the method where we hide the actual meaning so that everyone cannot understand, and decoding is where we crack the code so that we can understand the actual meaning of the word. Now, so what are the uses of this coding and decoding? Coding and decoding helps us in future aptitude tests like NEET and other tests like that. Now, we also use coding and decoding to share and receive our information over the net. Like suppose we share our information or send our information to someone else. So when we share, our information is coded, and when the person receives it, even then it's coded, but then when the person sees it, he decodes it so that he can see the actual meaning of behind our information. Now next is what are the types of coding. There are three types of coding mainly, that is number symbol coding, letter coding, and deciphering message codes. So number and symbol coding is where we use numbers or symbols and letters as it's saying letters, and deciphering is like similar to substitutions. Now next is, so today we will be discussing about number and symbol coding. Number and symbol coding itself has three parts, which is direct coding, relation with position of letters in English alphabet, and as per the given set of rules. So we will discuss first direct coding under the number and or symbol coding. Direct coding is very simple and therefore the first. So we have some questions here. We'll discuss first. So let's see. We can see here that in a certain code, levitate is coded as 6734807. So that means L is for 6, E is for 7, V is for 3, I is for 4, T is for 0, 8 is for A, again T is for 0, and E is for 7. So how did I find out that these letters are equal to these numbers? It's because since we can see that here two letters are repeating twice, T and E. So T is repeating here and here, E is repeating here and here. So if we can see, even the numbers are same. Since T is repeating 0 and 0, it's same. E is repeating 7 and 7, it's same. So I can understand that these letters is the code for levitate. So here they have asked us now, what is the code for late? So we need the code, we know the code for L, which is 6. So L is 6. Then we have the code for A, which is 8. Then we have the code for T also, which is 0. Then we have E, which is 7. So the code for late is 6807. Now next is, in a certain code, accept is coded as 8 ##, and then asterisk and dollar. So how will tape be coded as? Again, it's same, like how we can see accept. In accept, CC is repeating. Therefore, even in the code, there are two hashtags showing that they are repeating. So we again know that A is 8, A is equal to 8. C is hashtag, E is and, aster is P, and dollar is T. So how will tape be coded as? So we can see here that T is dollar, A is 8, and P is aster, and E is and. So tape will be coded like this. So as I said before, number coding also has symbols. Therefore, I had used symbols in this example. So we will be learning the other methods in the coming videos. So if you have any questions, you can ask me in the comment section. Also, please tell how was it, and thank you.